Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to receive Bitcoin on Coinbase. Alright, if you've been wondering how to receive Bitcoin on Coinbase, this video is for you. It's going to help you out with that, and it's going to be a really quick one. Just going to give you guys a couple of step-by-step guides on how to get this done. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log into your Coinbase account on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the accounts tab. Once you're there, you want to select the Bitcoin wallet and click on receive, and then you're going to generate a new wallet address, or you could use an existing one. And once that's done, just share the wallet address with the sender and just wait for the transaction to be processed and for the Bitcoins to be credited to your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to receive Bitcoins on Coinbase. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the